Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. So let us see what is coming up, Scorpios, for your general energies. I'll be picking few cards for your general energies, guys, and few cards for your love energies. So these are for your general energies, guys. And few cards for your love energies. So we will turn the cards as we proceed into the reading. So these are for your love energies, what you feel about this relationship or what your person feels about this relationship. So let us turn these cards. The Hermit in reverse, Eight of Wands in reverse, Five of Swords in reverse, Nine of Pentacles, Ace of Wands. Scorpios. Hope you can see the cards here. Scorpios, the energy with these cards is that, guys, you are coming towards a new beginning in your life. Something work related maybe, or it may be in your relationship also. You may be going into the next level of your relationship if you are in a relationship, or if you are single, it may be a new person approaching you, guys. So that may be the energy here, or it may be something concerned with your work, some new collaborations, or some new kind of job that you are taking up, some promotion. So something new is coming your way, guys, and you feel extremely lucky and things are going as planned. You are happy with the way things are proceeding in your work, guys. So whatever things that are manifesting, you feel really successful and you feel that sense of accomplishment, whatever it is, and you are clearly making those choices you need to make in your life. You are really you feel you have struggled really hard to be in this position today, guys. That is also the energy here. Maybe for some of you all, you may feel that certain areas need to be corrected. You have resentment towards certain things that happened. You resent your behavior in certain things, or towards some people, or towards some situation. So you feel you have to apologize to them for your actions or for your behavior. So for some of you all, you may feel really sad within yourself for that situation that has come up, and you want to apologize. You don't know how to make things right with this person. So you feel your conscience is questioning you for your behavior and how things went with that person in that particular situation. Maybe this may be your person that you have hurt with certain words, or some quarrels or arguments, or it may be some family member, somebody you have hurt. So that is also the energy here, guys. Maybe, and you are trying to overcome that energy. You are trying to say sorry to that person, and you are trying to patch things up with this person. So that is also the energy here, guys. Maybe this may be your person, or this may be something related to your work. Something would have gone wrong and you want to apologize for your mistakes and patch up with the people that you need to do the work with. So that may also be the energy here, guys. So let us see what is your love energy, what they feel about you, or what you feel about them, guys. Seven of Cups, the High Priestess, 10 of Swords. This relationship with this person, they would have felt a great love towards you, interest towards you guys, and towards this relationship. Maybe the quarrels or some arguments you had in this relationship is really upsetting them, has really upset them, and they are thinking within themselves what went wrong, and they are assessing what is this relationship, the positives that are there and the negatives, and they are really sad about it, how things went, and regarding this situation or quarrels, and they have that, they feel really sad, they are in extreme pain because of these arguments, guys. Maybe if you are the reason, they are expecting you to apologize, or if they are the reason for the sadness, they are coming towards you to apologize and get back with you in this relationship, guys. So they are really feeling sad. Their mind is torturing them. That is the energy here, guys. They are really feeling sad for what has happened today, and they want to change things, they want to change the situation, the sadness. So they may be coming towards you with an apology, guys. That is the energy here, Scorpios. So let us see what is the love message for you all, Scorpios. You make me smile. So this person and yourself, you did share a great understanding, love and affection, but due to some situations they are feeling sad. So you need to and they want to patch things up. If they are the reason, they are surely coming towards you, Scorpios. That is the energy here. Or if you are the reason for certain fights or quarrels in your relationship, you need to apologize to them, because they are truly deeply in love with you, and they feel really sad about these quarrels and arguments that you had, guys. So that is the reading, Scorpios. If this reading resonated with you all, please like and comment. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Scorpios.